How to change Roblox avatar height. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. Then, click on Avatar at the bottom. Here, click on Customize at the top. And then click on Head and Body. Scroll to the left and click on Build. After you've clicked on Build, here you'll find Body Size. As you can see, if you drag it to the upper right, height will slightly increase. You can make thinner and height T, or you can also select body type, and according to that, height will increase. As you can see, the height has been increased. You can select head size if you want. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to change Roblox avatar height. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.